Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XSP, the future of DeFi. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite XDC network, guys. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of XSP at the time of the recording, and let's see what it has been up to lately, guys. So this is XSP, guys. You can check out their yearly chart. Although it is still up 37.25% for the year. The price is 0.0004,349. But guys, it is on its way to test this. Although it tested this support level, but it is on its way back to testing this support level again, 0.0039 area, guys. If it breaks towards the downside, then we are looking at the 0.0003 area, guys, because in the last month or so, XSP has fallen significantly along with the rest of the market, guys. Check this out. It is down 43.43% in the last month. In the last 7 days, it is down 8.36%. Check out the market cap, $2.46 million. The volume has also fallen. You can see that it had a small spike over here towards the 0.00046 area, but the price has come down again. So, guys, looking at the sentiment of the market, I really think that XSP still has a room to fall below to the 0.0003 levels, but let's hope not. Let's hope that the price goes up. But I think that the 0.0003 area might come, guys, to be very honest. But anyways, anything can happen because XDC has also bled, and being the DeFi of XDC, XSP has also bled along with it. You can check out the daily chart of XDC. It is down 1.47% at the moment. Yeah, the monthly chart, 20%. It is down. Anyways, guys, talking about regulations, XDC still has those fundamentals in store, which can basically propel it towards those high market caps that we all believe it can achieve. Let's hope that the team delivers. XDC, despite this bleeding, eventually succeeds and goes on to achieve what it has the potential to achieve, basically, guys. Look at this. Let me show you. And yeah, why can XSP achieve what we believe it can achieve, guys? The reason is XDC network, obviously, that the fundamentals behind XDC. Meanwhile, guys, DeFi in and of itself, it has the potential to be huge in the future, guys. I saw this article recently, although this was posted on December 23rd, 2023 by Mr. Robert Knight. But check this out. Key industry figures predict the future of DeFi in 2024. So I'm not a fan of these time frames. I really think that this frame should be 2035, and it should take decades to build, guys. Regulations are coming. It is a slow and gradual process, guys. This takes decades. This doesn't happen in a year. I really do not like these time frames, to be honest. These short-term time frames. It doesn't happen in the shorter term time frames most of the time. Anyways, check this out. Key industry figures in DeFi predicts what trends will dominate the industry in 2024. Anyways, at least for a starter, first and foremost, check this out, guys. regulation and transparency. This is what XDC Network stands for and XSP stands for, guys. DeFi is going to be going through regulation, transparency, and the projects that are built on top of networks that are regulated, that are transparent, like XDC Network. XSP is built up on XDC Network, which is ISO 20022 compliant. They have this framework which is compliant, which is regulated. They have the potential to basically be huge. So check this out. One area that is likely to witness profound changes is regulation. In 2023, the crypto industry regularly found itself at odds with United States lawmakers keen to impose themselves on the crypto industry. DeFi is likely to avoid scrutiny in the year ahead. Nathan Catania, partner at XReg Consulting, a public policy and regulatory affairs consultancy specializing in crypto, told Cointelegraph that true DeFi has far less to fear than centralized alternatives. This is true, guys, because if DeFi is regulated, the lawmakers will have no option but to accept it, because it is really difficult to basically prove DeFi as being not abiding by the law, not abiding by the book. Centralized exchanges, you can go on and basically punish the CEO and all of those people. But in DeFi, the protocols are taking care of itself. The machine is taking care of itself. If DeFi is truly decentralized and the uh, decision-making bodies are decentralized, it becomes really difficult for lawmakers, to be honest. The majority of DeFi projects have certain elements of centralized control and are in fact hybrid finance, meaning they exist somewhere on the spectrum between CeFi and DeFi, explained Catania. In 2024, true DeFi will continue to remain outside of the regulatory parameter as it cannot be regulated under existing regulatory paradigms. However, it will be the year that regulators in many jurisdictions, including the US, will crack down hi-fi. Basically, those projects that are centralized to a certain extent and they have DeFi elements, they are going to be going through this crackdown, guys. The projects that are truly decentralized and they have these products built that are decentralized, they are going to be basically they will be safe, guys. And when it comes to XSP, guys, you might say that XDC network has a bit of that hybrid control. We're talking about XSP, guys. I've seen XSP and they're trying to make the product more decentralized and basically function on its own, guys, without the intermediaries and middlemen. So cool. Antonio Zolciak, co-founder of LF0, a privacy-enhancing layer 1, also believes 2024 will be an important year for regulation as institutional capital signals its entry into crypto markets through ETF, exchange-traded funds discussions, tokenization of assets, and major Web3 launches. DeFi's readiness is in spotlight. In 2024, major market trends in DeFi will center on addressing institutional concerns and fostering compatibility with regulatory frameworks. Awesome. By the way, talking about tokenization, you know that XDC network is really the building its foundation on top of RWA, real world asset tokenization, and all of that stuff. It is also categorized under the RWA assets. So it is one of the leading figures in this sector. So check this out. And XSP is also going to be making some headways if XDC network eventually takes off, guys. Check this out. That's why a fully authorized and regulated subset of stablecoins on-chain fiat is expected to gain momentum in 2024 and beyond. This is driven to a large extent by the excitement revolving RWAs and their potential to revolutionize the sector, and also by on-chain P2P payments. To capitalize on this trend, there will be more appetite for solutions allowing seamless integration with traditional payment systems, which makes it directly transferable between off-chain bank accounts and Web3. Cool. Oh, this is awesome. What else do we have over here? Okay, so tokenization will power DeFi. So talking about DeFi, decentralized assets, guys, this is an interesting title, that tokenization will power DeFi. Tokenization will power much of the DeFi sector in 2024, but like I told you guys, that I think that it will take a few, a decade or two, to be honest, or to for this sector to fully function as we believe it will function, with some areas seeing 10x growth, according to Danny Chong of Tranches. Although we've learned that tokenization will disrupt almost $16 trillion by 2030, but the true power of tokenization, I think that 2035 and beyond, we're going to be seeing mainstream media properly get integrated into this mainstream sectors, guys. The 2023 tokenization wave has not only asserted the versatility of blockchain, but also has positioned it as a strong force in bridging the gap between traditional and decentralized finance, bringing greater accessibility and liquidity. The tokenization of real world assets and the development of advanced structured products are two key trends which have the potential to drive market maturation in 2024. Awesome. Other major forces, while 2023 was the year of betting on layer 2s, 2024 will be the year of consolidation, especially for those protocols based heavily in DeFi. Baudet told Cointelegraph, and as an industry, we're starting to realize that cross layer 2 communication is hard and leads to fragmented liquidity. Layer 2s will need to work together to allow for faster communication, possibly by sharing a decentralized and sequencer instead of using slow layer 1 transactions, guys. Future of DeFi is there, guys. DeFi is the future of finance, according to a lot of proponents and a lot of advocates. What do you guys think about XSP and DeFi in general? Do you think that it is the future of finance? Is DeFi the future of finance in general? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.